In Ebonyi State, the Izhia Kingdom of Izhia in Ohaukwu local government area of Ebonyi State has made history with the first ever unified New Yam Festival involving all 5 communities in the kingdom. Political leaders, traditional rulers, community stakeholders, and the sons and daughters of Izhia converged to celebrate what organizers described as a cultural rebirth aimed at strengthening peace, unity, and preserving the people's rich heritage. The New Yam Festival took place at Obodo Amonamuta Playground, Izhia, in Ohaukwu local government area of Ebonyi State. Afia TV correspondent Chijioke Njoko reports.
It was a colorful display of tradition, culture, and unity as the people of Izhia Kingdom gathered in large number for the Medium's Unified New Yam Festival. For the first time in the history of the kingdom, the 5 autonomous communities of Izhia came together to celebrate the annual festival under one umbrella, making a significant departure from the years of when each community observed the event separately. The ceremony attracted traditional rulers, community leaders, political office holders, youth and women, all dressed in a colorful attire, while cultural dance troupes entertained guests with traditional music and performance. Speaking during the celebration, the House of Representatives candidate for Ohaukwu Federal Constituency, Barrister Tochukwu Ogalago, described the festival as an expression of gratitude to God and the ancestors for a successful farming season. He said the gathering demonstrated the unity of Izhia people and the commitment of preserving their culture and traditions.
Izhia people of Ebonyi State is celebrating the Yam Festival. You can see the traditional institutions are here, the chiefs, the Royal Majesties from all the traditional villages that makes up Izhia. This is an art to show that we are happy with our ancestors and in solidarity with the culture and tradition as the town demands.
The chairman of the occasion, Mr. Sunday Itma, said the festival represents a new chapter in the history of Izhia Kingdom. According to him, although the New Yam Festival has always been celebrated over the years, it was done separately by individual communities. He explained that the decision to unite the 5 autonomous communities for one celebration was driven by the belief that unity brings greater strength and development.
We have come here to commemorate our New Yam Festival, the first of its kind in the land of Izhia. Over the years, our people had always celebrated our New Yam Festival, but we do community by community. And so this year, the community that is Izhia in its entirety have recognized that there is power in unity. And we have decided that for the first time, all the 5 communities in Izhia will have to come together, and celebrate the New Yam Festival, which we recognize as the king of our crops and also the beginning of our new year.
The chairman of Ohaukwu local government area, Mr. Ikechukwu Odono, who addressed the gathering in local dialect, praised the people of putting aside their differences to celebrate together. He noted that era of augmented celebration has ended. He stressed that the unity displayed by the people would foster peace, understanding, and accelerated development across the kingdom. Former Ebonyi State Commissioner for Education Press Ndubisi Agbo described the event as a cultural resilience. He said the revival of the festival would ensure that future generations remain connected to their roots and cultural identity.
This is our New Yam Festival for the Izhia nation. A sort of cultural revival, cultural renaissance and rejuvenation. We want to make sure that our culture remains alive. Yam is the king of other crops, and in Igbo land, we have special honor for yam. That's why we are celebrating this very elaborate ceremony.
Also speaking, Comrade Ejike Agbo said the gathering has once again demonstrated that politics cannot divide the people of Izhia. He noted that sons and daughters of the kingdom, irrespective of political affiliations, came together to celebrate their common heritage.
We are here to celebrate our cultural heritage. We are here to say, yes, it is time for unity. Politics are part, and politics can never tear us apart. That's why you see all sons and daughters of Izhia gathered in the same place, irrespective of political affiliation, to say, yes, our unity, peace, and progress is paramount.
Another stakeholder, Mr. Kevin Ituma, described the festival as a long overdue. He explained that several communities and circumstances had led to the suspension of unified celebration in the kingdom over the years, but expressed optimism that the revival would become enduring tradition that strengthened the unity among the people.
This is what we've long awaited, and we came together this time around to say that Izhia people, that we are one, and as a one indivisible people with one cultural heritage, that we must continue to uphold that cultural heritage that was passed on to us by our forefathers. So many circumstances led to the reason why it was suspended for a long time. More than 100 years ago, we've not had it. But this time around, in our own time, we decided that this should happen, and it is a thing of joy.
For the people of Izhia Kingdom, this historic celebration is more than a cultural festival. It is a symbol of reconciliation, unity, and renewed commitment to preserving the rich cultural heritage for the generation to come. From Ohaukwu local government area, Izhia Kingdom reporting Afia TV.